Hello guys, this is Claudio, motion designer from Brussels, Belgium. Today I'm going to show you how to create a bar chart trace over a video with a transparent background so that you can put the bar chart trace with still your video visible on the background. So I'm going to use as usual barbachart, which is a bar chart trace script for After Effects. You can get it on barbachart.com. But let's jump into our project today. So I have already imported the video in After Effects, and so let's create the bar chart trace. You're going to see it's very easy. So let's import the data with the CSV file. I've prepared an example here. Just double click on it. You see that the title is put here. It's the same as the file name, but you can modify it, put whatever you want. You can select the color palette if you want. Let's stick to orange in this case. The full scale intro duration 30 seconds is okay. Let's create the bar chart trace, clicking on this icon here. And in some seconds you see that we have our composition with the bar charts trace, which move around as they have to do. So now let's see how we can put the chart trace over the video. So you just have to grab the sample data composition. The name really depends on what the title is, so it will be different in your case. You see that the background is not transparent in this case. So how can we make it transparent? So let's click over the composition, double click on it to get into it, and then you have to go down to in the timeline to the bottom. One of the first layers is called BG, and this is the one that you have to set as transparent. So click on the eye icon to make it hidden. You see that the background disappears here. Let's see what is the. You see that we have this transparency here, which is maybe what we want. Maybe we want to get rid of this white background as well. So how do we do that? Get back to the composition with the chart trace, and there is another layer which is called chart BG. You can set hidden this layer as well. Then you go back and you see that you have now your chart trace with no background at all. You can still modify a lot of properties, opening here the essential properties below the layer. You can modify the colors, you can modify the spacing between the charts, you can modify the thickness, you can modify the roundness of the bars, and that's it. And now you see that if you go back down to the beginning of the composition, preview is taking some time, and then you have your bar chart trace with your charts moving around. Voila. So that's all for today's tutorial. If you want to try this, you can just go to barbachart.com and get the plugin I have developed. And if you have any questions, just write in the comments below the video. I will answer as soon as possible, as usual. So thank you very much, and consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. See you soon. Bye.